Hey everyone, today I am going to roast myself with the help of this baby. You upload one video and already attacked. You should probably realize that no one cares about your life, and also, who tag you? You'll never do a collab because the YouTubers you like don't even know who you are. By the way, your life's a mess. You should do something about it. Maybe if you try to fix it, you wouldn't have anxiety. You think you can sing, but only do it in your room. Your voice is so high-pitched that you sound like a cartoon. You're a mess, a ball of stress. Don't try to impress, you just cause the stress. You say that you don't follow society's standards of beauty. I think that's just an excuse, you just have a big pudding. The quality of your videos should be a bit higher. You're just a shitty wannabe of danisnotonfire. You used to dye your hair, that was cool when you were 12, but I guess you never got over your emo phase. You act like you are a cold-hearted bitch, but you have so many feelings that you cry yourself to sleep. You're a mess, a ball of stress. Don't try to impress, you just cause the stress. Are you gonna spend another weekend on Tumblr? Maybe if you left the house, you would be a bit tanner. You give good advice and never follow it. People only think you're nice when your feelings you're swallowing. You wanted to study physics because you had the brain, but you procrastinated and the exam you failed. Thank you, Ryan Higa, for creating the stack. I'm whoevenismaria, and with this, I'm out. You're a mess, a ball of stress. Don't try to impress, you just cause the stress. Okay, that was painful. You can watch my last video and subscribe. Bye.